Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting the app installed and ready. Open the store, install Edge VPN, and sign in with your email. This links settings and subscriptions. Once done, grant the app VPN permissions and any network or location access it requests so connections can be routed properly. Make sure battery optimizations won't kill background activity. These steps let Edge create its secure tunnel and preserve connectivity. Without them, the app cannot establish or maintain a VPN session reliably. Now configure how the VPN connects and what it protects. You pick a server region, nearby for speed, or a target country to access geo-restricted content, and then enable critical protections like the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Turn on split tunneling when you need only certain apps routed through the VPN. Adjust protocol choices to favor speed or stronger encryption. After changing settings, run a quick speed and IP leak check so you confirm the configuration behaves as you expect. Finally, connect and verify that secure routing is active. Tap Connect and watch for the secure indicator and a changed IP address, then open a site that shows your IP to confirm. Try the apps and services you use most to ensure they work through the VPN. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Restart the Edge VPN app, try a different protocol, or switch to another server. If issues persist, reboot the device and recheck permissions. Those steps resolve most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.